So hello नमस्कार to the all chemistry lovers and doctors and engineers of the near future। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका हर बार की तरह केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल पे हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। पर्टिकुलर हम बात कर चुके हैं प्रीवियस वीडियो तक स्टीरियोकेमिकल एस्पेक्ट्स में जस्ट 11 इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस की। आज जो हम बात करने वाले हैं दैट इज द 12 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट इज योर रिटेंशन। इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, रिटेंशन। Retention. What is the meaning of retention? Just suppose when a reaction, during a reaction, just you can say during a reaction, or you can say attack of an attacking group, if just configuration of molecule remains same means you can say no change in configuration of molecule, then this process is called as retention of molecule. This is the very important. Suppose this is the C, this is the A, this is the B, C and Y. If as an attacking group, suppose here is your any of X negative specific nucleophilic addy substitution reaction के दौरान if X attacks over the molecule, then if the configuration of molecule remains unchanged like this, A, B, C and this is the X and removal of the Y minus, then no change in configuration of molecule, and due to no change in configuration of molecule, this process is called as retention. Retention means we can say that molecule remains retained. That process is called as retention. If we'll go with the further, then the further topic is your 13. It's a very important. This is called as inversion. Inversion means during reaction specifically यहाँ पे reaction की बात करें then you can say during SN reaction specifically, and here is also during reaction as a SN reaction. If the configuration of molecule changes, then it is called as inversion of molecules. Inversion of molecule. During inversion, we can say that dextrorotatory form changes in levorotatory form, L form, and levorotatory form changes in just dextrorotatory form, D form, and this change in configuration of the molecule is called as just your inversion. And we have discussed along with the SN2 reaction, there will inversion of molecule, which is also called as Walden's inversion, which is also called as Walden's inversion. Inversion. This is the regarding to inversion. If we want to show, if we want to understand this matter, then we can take as follows. This is the C, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and this is the again your Y. Here's the attacking group as a X, and if the molecule completely changes in mirror image like this is the A, this is B, this is C, and this is the X. This is the leading group as a Y minus, then totally change in configuration from ABC anti-clockwise, from ABC clockwise means L फॉर्म से आपके पास में कंपाउंड B फॉर्म में चेंज हो रहा है. This is the clockwise while this is the anti-clockwise. So this process is called as, and this is the nucleophile also, nucleophile. So this process is called as just your inversion. This is the most important regarding to SN reaction. Now I would like to go with the final topic of the stereochemical aspects as a 14. What is that? That is very important. That is called as racemization. Racemization. You can say process in which formation of both D and L form in equimolar mixture. What is the mean of equimolar mixture? Means 50% as a D form and 50% as a L form. Then forming mixture is called as racemic mixture, and the process called as racemization. We have discussed also, just if there is the racemic mixture, then it is denoted by either DL mixture or plus minus mixture. Also, it will optically inactive. Why? Because of it will be equal amount of the D and L form. So वो अपना एक दूसरे का रोटेशन कैंसिल कर देते हैं. This is called as external compensation, और external compensation के कारण से particular optically inactive होगा. So this was about the just 14 stereochemical aspect as a just your racemization, and 13 as a just 12 as a retention, and 13 as a inversion. So now the time to discuss about the just 15th important point or final. We can say that what is the relationship between inversion retention, and just you can say racemization मीन्स पर्टिकुलर तीनों में क्या रिलेशनशिप होती है, इस बात को एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिगार्डिंग टू द एसन रिएक्शन एंड यू हाउ टू लर्न प्रॉपरली. एंड वी हैव टेकन जस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपिक रिगार्डिंग टू दिस चैप्टर एंड दिस टॉपिक ऑल्सो. आपके एनसीईआरटी से भी एक्सेस में बात कर लिए, कोई भी टॉपिक हमसे छूटा नहीं है. तो आपको जो भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके और व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे अपना मैसेज सेंड करके भी अपनी प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन retention, you can say inversion and racemization. What is the relationship? Listen me carefully. Suppose this is the reactant molecule C, this is the A, this is the B, this is C, and this is the, just you can take Y any group. If there is the attack of X group like this is the X minus. If there is no change in the configuration of molecule A, B, C, and this is the X by the removal of Y, then this process is called as retention. If I go with the form, then this is the D form also along with the rotation. If there is change in configuration of molecule like this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and this is the attack of X, and here is the removal of Y, then this is totally anti-clockwise. So this is the L form. Now this change in configuration is called as inversion, and both just A form and this is the B form are the mirror image of each other. So if they forms in the ratio of A plus B as a 50% and 50%, then this is called as racemization. Means particular A और B एक दूसरे के mirror image है. We can show here A and B form are the mirror images of each other. So these also called as enantiomers also, and this property is called as enantiomerism. And this was about the relationship between your retention, important topic, inversion and racemization. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic, just impact of stereochemical aspects on SN1 and SN2 reaction if they are optically active, and further the next reactions also, next properties also. Till then शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. इसी विश्वास के साथ कि पर्टिकुलर आप इस चैनल को मैक्सिमम शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, ताकि वो बच्चे भी हमारी पहुंच तक पहुंच सके जो कि अभी तक नहीं पहुंचे, बिकॉज इट्स अ टोटली फ्री चैनल. धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.